Despite the severe storm damage to the First Presbyterian Church, Rome still held services just in a different location down the block. Even though today's service looked a little different at the Zion Episcopal Church, it was a reminder of how religion can mold a community together.
We're all grieving, we're all weeping together, and just trying to get that message out that we, the people, are the church, and that together we will make it through this. We'll be stronger in many ways, I think, than ever before.
During the service, Pastor Edwina sat down with the children and compared the tragedy of their church to caterpillars, a symbol of patience and growth that soon will come.